Please say yes.
Don't say no.
And we'll tell the world.
By now, it's probably no surprise to anybody that we got a birthday number coming up here.
Well, it's a surprise to me. I didn't even get a present.
Me neither, Big C.
That's because it's not your birthday, nitwit.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. The Pizza Time players are cool.
I agree. They are cool.
Where can I find the cat? I am very hungry.
There's a cat on stage. His name is Crusty.
Thanks for telling me about him. It's time for him get eaten.
Pizza, pizza, pizza everywhere. You take the pepperoni, minestrone, cannelloni, when you add the garlic, cause that's so good for you. Pizza.
Chucky.
No. Crusty. Do not leave us. You are the best jukebox ever.
Hey. I am not a jukebox.
Yes you are. Now shut up and let's get on with this scene, nitwit. No. 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 Crusty. Do not go in the light.
I see the light. I am going to heaven. Goodbye, Big C.
No. A Pizza Time player, Crusty the cat, is dead.
Guys. If we don't find a replacement for Crusty, my Pizza Time theater will go out of business.
Maybe I can replace Crusty.
Oh great. You are the monster who bit Crusty. Who are you gonna bite next? Jasper?
Hey.
I just want to say sorry for eating Crusty. Cats are the only things I eat on my planet.
Apology accepted. You are now part of the Pizza Time players.
Allah, you know I'm here to make it a pizza, cause that's my line.
He does it fine.
But all the things I need to make it a mixture, are harder to find. Mozzarella, macaroni, mushroom, and parmesan. Milanese, mortadella, onions, and parmesan.
Oh, what a man.
Pizza, pizza, pizza in the air.